The Earth. What is this?
It's a globe. Our Earth looks like this.
You mean it is round? I won't fall if I reach the other end?
No, dear. Our Earth is a part of the solar system. It is like a tiny dot. Do you remember the planets of the solar system?
Yes, I know. They are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Hey, see, our Earth appears blue in color.
Yes, it is because its 3/4 part is covered with water. It has air and soil which support life.
Does the Earth have light of its own?
No, it reflects the light of the sun. It has an envelope surrounding the Earth called atmosphere.